Hi, my name is Dr. Esther Zachariah. Welcome to another DIY activity. Today we're going to make this simple activity with a baking tray, some beads, marbles or cotton balls and Play-Doh. I'm going to take the Play-Doh and roll it out into a nice cylinder. I could do this with one hand or I could use both hands for bilateral coordination, just to make sure they're working together. Now once I get that nice cylindrical shape, I have some already ready here. I'm going to lay them out on my baking tray in this manner. So I've created what you would call a maze for these marbles to navigate. So they would go this way. So if you've noticed, I had to use both my hands to make the baking tray wobble so that the marbles would fall. To make this a bit more challenging, you could get your child to find their way to the top of the baking tray in this way. It's a really nice activity and I hope you have lots of fun doing it.